What's up everybody? I'm Andre and this is Edible Fitness, the fitness you can eat. Today I'm going to show you my version of a Buddha bowl. Let's get started. Alright, so if you don't already know, a Buddha bowl is essentially a vegetarian dish. It is a base dish that has usually quinoa or brown rice. I'm using white rice because that's all I had today, so that's what we're going with. And then some other features like tofu, sweet potato, and things like that. So I've got a plethora of things here that I want to show you how to design your own Buddha bowl. What I've got here is some tofu. Now, all I did is fry that up. You'll see in a video as I'm talking what I did with that. I'm gonna put a little tofu on the side. Now that. Got some sweet potato. I baked this in the oven with the broccoli for about, geez, how long? About 20-25 minutes that I had that in there. Put that on the side. Don't lose any pieces. Then I've got some coconut curry chickpeas. That is going on the side as well. Then I also have some broccoli. Like I said, that went in with the sweet potato. All right, next I've got some pickled cucumbers and onions. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of those in there. I love these. I made them myself, thank you very much. Just slice them up. Add a bunch because I love that. All right, and then in the middle, I've got some seaweed, dried seaweed that I rehydrated, added some sesame oil and some soy sauce, just a little bit. I love that smell. If you want to add something a little extra, a fried egg. And that is just gonna go right on top. And there we go. Now you can add like sriracha sauce to this if you want, some gochujang, Korean red pepper sauce. What else? Maybe some hummus. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that'd be so good. Add that in there. And all you do is you mix that all up, eat it healthy, amazing. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to check out the vegetarian playlist. Or if you're not vegetarian and you want something else, I've got a ton of stuff for you to look at. All right guys, I'll see you in the next video right here on Edible Fitness. Bye.